Thank you for buying this 10240 tabletop cover from Fixture Displays. This is a large, about 96 by 48-inch panel, and thickness is 0.8 inches, just a little over 3/4 of an inch. The core of this product is plywood to take advantage of the lightweight. The very top is a formica, is high pressure laminate, will last forever. It's further decorated and protected with stainless steel edges and the corners. This will give you the scratch resistance, and the underside is painted white. Originally, this item is designed as a cover for a baptismal. It can also be used as a tabletop as long as you have proper legs. This will make a nice, large table for you quickly. It's also lightweight, very easy to handle. In case you need to disassemble your table, you can put this away. Top is an outstanding quality that is very durable. If you have any questions, email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.